So good morning, dear students. We are going to look at Makefile. Okay. Makefile is a special file that tells the computer how to compile and build programs automatically. Okay. So instead of typing long commands every time in the terminal, you can just type make and it will do all the steps for you. Okay, so you will gradually understand once we do with examples. Now, Makefile is a file. Okay, the name of the file also is Makefile, which we are going to create. That will instruct the computer how to compile and build programs automatically. So once I create a Makefile, I can just type make, the command make in the terminal. So the entire process gets executed. You need not type every time GCC and all those things. Just a make command will help you to do that. Okay, the advantages of using Makefile is one, it saves time because you need not type long commands every time. Then it helps you to handle multiple files. So Makefile, when you do a very big project where you have some humpty number of files, many files, during those time, Makefile will be of real help to you. And it keeps your compilation process neat. And as I said, this works for bigger projects very nicely. And this becomes very important when you work with bigger projects because you will be very much confused while compiling what file to compile, what I've already compiled, and all those things. So, this Makefile will help you to do the process very efficiently and very neatly. Now, how do I create a Makefile? The syntax for creating a Makefile is this: target, colon, dependencies. In the next line, the command. So before this command, you should see there's a tab space. Please remember tab space. It's not a space bar. You will have to give a tab space. Okay, so now what is the target? Target is what do you want to create? What file you want to create? Okay, dependency is what are the files required to make this target? Okay, dependency is what are the files you require to make this target? Command is what is the command that is required to create this target? Okay, so this is the syntax. Target is what file you want to create. Dependency is what file you want to create this target. Command is what is the command you require to build the target. Okay, and always the command should start with a tab space. Please remember that. Otherwise, you will get an error. You will not be able to use the Makefile. Okay, now let us see an example with one single file first, then with multiple files. Now, let me take this program. This is a program. The file name is main.c. Okay, this program just prints hello world. That's all. Just one single file. So Makefile will not be more sensible in this. Okay, but let us understand how do I create a Makefile for a single file. So our file main.c, my program, the file name is main.c. Now I'm going to create a Makefile. Now the file name is Makefile. Please remember there is no extension for this Makefile. You should not have extension for this Makefile. Okay, inside the Makefile, comments, if you want to write, you will have to start the comment with a hash. Hash followed by text is the comment in Makefile. Okay, now let us see this. As I told you, the syntax is target, colon, dependencies. The next line is the command. Now, what is the target now? I wanted to create a binary file, the executable file. That's the target. So, if the executable file name is program, okay, if the executable file name is program, so that's the target I want to create, program, colon. To create this, what do I require? The C file. The C file is main.c. So that is the dependency, right? If I wanted to create the executable file program, for this, the file I require is main.c. So that is going to be the dependency. And now what is the command I will have to use? GCC main.c -o program. That's the command. Okay. So target, this is the target I want to create. To create this target, this is the file I require. And this is the command I require. So I have created a Makefile with this content. Okay, I've created a Makefile with this content. So now every time I want to compile this program, I can just type make, M-A-K-E, make command. So make command will run this Makefile and execute all the commands present in the Makefile. So what do you expect when I type the make command, execute the make command? This program will be created. The object file program will be created. Then I can execute by saying /program. Okay. So now remember this main.c and the make file both are present in the same location. Okay. This is about your make file. So make file is a special file that tells the computer how to compile and build the programs automatically. So once I create a Makefile, what happens? Anytime I want to run this program, I can directly say make. Automatically, this Makefile will execute and I'll get this program. Now I can execute this by saying /program.